Yes, good luck everyone. I'm going to tell you how to install PUBG without download. Let's start. First go to my pen drive. I got this file from my friend. This is OBB file 1.64 GB. Now you can see this the file path storage emulated 0 Android OBB com.tencent.ig. That's the my friend's emulator path. That's for located. Now I'm going to paste to this file to my emulator share folder. You have to do that, but I already paste my files here. OBB file. You also need APK file. PUBG Mobile 47 MB only. You can see my share folder 47 MB only. Now I'm going to emulator and file manager, and I'm going to my PC share folder in my emulator. This is my share folder. Pictures is my share folder. PC share folder. This is my share folder. You can see both files here. Same as. Now you have to install PUBG Mobile APK 47 MB APK. Install. Now installing my PUBG. Now app install, but don't open it. Go back. Now you have to go to like that path for create com.tencent.ig folder. After you can paste 1.64 GB file OBB. Let's do it now. Now I go to now you can see my APK already installed. Now go to file manager. Now click Android OBB. You can see my tencent.ig file not here, so we have to create com.tencent.ig folder as your friend emulator. The folder I create now com.tencent.ig. Now OK, press the OK button. Now I created this file, and you have to go back. Internal storage. This is my path, share folder path, PC share folder. Take the main tencent.ig OBB file. Next, you have to paste Android OBB count.tencent.ig is be create file folder. Now paste it. Paste. Copy selection here. It will be not longer time. Now successfully copied my file and go back home, and you have to check app information, PUBG app information. For give permissions, my permissions are okay. If you don't have any permission to this app, you have to give permissions like record audio, storage, like that. Allow access. This is a second option to access your file. App information. Go to setting and click apps. Now I'm accessing PUBG mobile information just like before. And go back and open PUBG mobile app. If you see something bottom left, downloading resources, it will be not okay. You have to restart app again if not open correctly. You won't see downloading resources. Now PUBG, my PUBG own app is okay now. It's opening. If you learn something from my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Don't forget to leave a comment on comment box. Have a nice day. See you in next video. Thanks for watching me.